The magic of auroras. Have you ever heard of the amazing light show in the sky called an aurora? Let's learn about this beautiful and magical display. What is an aurora? An aurora is a colorful light show in the sky. It happens near the North and South poles and looks like dancing lights in shades of green, pink, purple, and blue. Northern and Southern lights. The aurora near the North Pole is called the Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis. Near the South Pole, it's called the Southern Lights, or Aurora Australis. How they happen. Auroras are made by the sun. The sun sends out tiny particles that travel through space. When these particles reach Earth, they hit the gases in our atmosphere and create beautiful lights. Colors in the sky. The different colors of the aurora come from different gases in the atmosphere. Green is the most common color, made by oxygen. Purple, blue, and pink are made by nitrogen. Best time to see them. The best time to see an aurora is during winter, when the nights are long and dark. You need to be in a place far away from city lights to see them clearly. Magical experience. Seeing an aurora in person is like watching magic in the sky. It's a peaceful and beautiful sight that people travel from all over the world to see. Auroras remind us of the wonders of nature and the amazing things that happen in our universe. If you ever get the chance to see one, it's an experience you'll never forget.